So, I have the hiccups. Again. Last time, 7 weeks. 7 weeks. Hiccups for 7 weeks. It was ridiculous. And everyone was saying, 7 weeks, this and that. I just can't deal with it. Not again. Anyways, I'll ask my mom. Mom? 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 Mom?
Yes, sweetie?
How do I get rid of hiccups?
Hiccups? No, I can't. 7 weeks.
Yeah,
They've gone into the Guinness World Book of Records. She needs a day off.
One day. One day. One day.
She could have been famous. Why couldn't she just come on, pop? Yes, anyway, hiccups. Holding your breath.
Okay, yeah, I'll try it.
I'll leave you to it. Remember, don't be on there too long. You don't want your dad to like about in the bin.
Okay, so I'm gonna hold my breath. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
That was Alex. Alex, sweetie. Alex, sweetie, honey. Yeah. Alex, sweetie, honey. Come on, we go. Sweetie, honey. Sweetie, you there? Sweetie. Sweetie.
What? Yeah. Go away. I'm going.
Okay. She loves me really. Don't humiliate a princess. Mommy loves you. Oh yes, Grace, come around. Because I need to go.
I don't know. I don't know. Go away. Well, it doesn't work. It just seems to be getting worse. I guess I'll just ring Grace. Hey, Grace. Hello? Oh, it's ringing. Grace. Still ringing. Hi, Alex. Hey. It's Alex. I have the hiccups.
I'm not good.
Do you want to come round?
7 weeks last time. Do you remember?
Yeah. Didn't forget. Do you want to come round? Bye.
I'll come round, okay? And then I'll just hang out. Grace is in the house. Check me out. I'm a rock star. Hiccups.
I've already tried holding my breath.
Have a drink.
Okay.
What are you doing? You're supposed to have it upside down.
Obviously.
Let's have a bit of camera action. How's the pet? Oh no, it's Look at my liver. Again. Still there? Yeah, I'll get my sister. She's like total dentist thing, you know. Okay. Good. I'll be back for tea, yeah? Okay, tell your mom.
How will dental help? She's taking her time. This is urgent.
Oh my god. Hiccups again.
Sorry.
God. Hiccups. 7 weeks.
Help me!
No wonder you got the hiccups. The window is not open. Open the window. Grace is coming out for tea. You don't know how I feel about you, don't you? Alexis.
Leave my house.
Catch up with you soon. See you later.
She thinks she's like the Bizzle. Who the hell is she? What's this? www.hiccup.com/get rid of hiccups/scare me. Enter. Wow. It says here that if I've got the hiccups, then I should scare myself. So here it goes. I'm gonna scare myself. I'm just gonna throw a punch myself out of the blue so I don't realize. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Ow! That is really hurt. Ow! Okay, this. Okay? Maybe not. I'll just try stabbing myself. Okay? 1, 2. Ow! It really hurt again. Okay. It didn't work. See you later.